Hello students, I am Ashraf Jamal. I have started making videos on computer science of class 12th. So in this video I have tried to explain the things from very basic and I believe this will help you a lot. So go through this video and grab the concepts. In this video I have started dealing with file handling in Python. So before going to start file handling, now let us first understand the concept of file. So what is a file? File is a very basic term that we understand. In computer, we can create files. A file to store data, to store information like notepad file, wordpad file, MS Word file, MS Excel file. So different types of files can be there in computers. And we know very well why do we create a file? We create a file to store data or information so that when it is required, we can add more data to it, we can modify it, we can access it when it is required in future. Data file handling in Python. So what is the purpose of data file handling in Python? When we write any program in Python and when we run it, so it displays the desired output and finally the program terminates. So whatever result has been displayed, actually it is getting stored in the RAM, that is volatile memory. So later the result, the output, the data we entered will not be stored anywhere. So it was just temporary to show the data, to show the result. But what if we want to keep all those result or data permanently on the secondary storage? So in that case, we need data file handling. So with the help of our Python program, we can create file and we can write data to that file. We can update data in that file or we can access data from the file. And the data is stored permanently on permanent storage, that is hard disk. So I hope you have understood the purpose of data file handling in Python. With the help of our program, we can create a file on the secondary storage and we can write data to it. Okay. What is the need of data file handling? We create file through our program and we can write, we can update, we can read the data from that file and we can store data for future use. So what are the various types of files in Python? So during data file handling, we create files with the help of our program. The files are of two types basically. The first one is text file. A text file is the file which contains data or information in plain text format or in ASCII format. So that even after creating the file, if you search that file on the disk, if you open it directly, you can view or read the content of that. And the other form is binary file. A binary file is basically a file which stores data in the form as it is stored in the memory. Do you know how the data is stored in the memory? It is stored in the sequence of bytes, and the sequence of bytes are written into the file, and that file is known as binary file. Okay. So a text file has extension .txt or .rtf, and a binary file can contain any type of object. It can store any image, audio, video, or any other object. So there are basically two types of files which we can create in Python in data file handling. So the first one is text file, which has .txt or .rtf extension. The other one is binary file, which can store any type of file. So I have covered only this much in this video. So I think and I believe this video is quite helpful for you to understand the very basics. In the next video, I'll try to cover how to write programs, how to write data into a file, how to read data from the file. So these all will be covered in details. Hope this is helpful for you. Thank you.